How to get pumpkins in Terraria. So first is you will need to buy some pumpkin seeds directly from the Dryad NPC. So I have my Dryad NPC right here. I'm just going to the shop and you will see the pumpkin seed right here, which can be bought for 2 silver and 55 copper. Now once you have the seeds, so I have mine right here, you'd want to plant them evenly on grass blocks, spacing each one out properly so every individual plant has enough room to grow without interference. So as you can see right here, I am placing it on top just like that. And once you're satisfied with the plants that you have or with the planted pumpkins, just wait patiently for them to fully mature over time. Then harvest each one with a pickaxe to actually collect the finished pumpkins. And just a quick tip, if you generally don't want to sit around waiting, use the time speed items like a sundial or the enchanted sundial to skip ahead quickly, letting your whole pumpkin patch finish growing in seconds instead of real playtime. Let's try to use this one right here. I'm just going to place it and use it like that. As you can see, it is fast forwarding time and you can see the pumpkin growing like this. And that's how you basically get pumpkins in Terraria.